students. After a long gap, we have all started online classes of all the subjects. So, in science, we have completed almost 3-4 chapters. Let's start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, fiber to fabrics. Okay, fiber to fabrics. We all love to wear clothes. Even when we wear new clothes that change our mood also, we feel happy. So clothes are one of the basic need of human being, and we wear different type of clothes depending upon the season. Like in summer we wear cotton clothes, in winter we wear warm clothes like woolen clothes. Even people of different culture, they wear different kinds of clothes also. If you go to different parts of India, so according to the states they wear clothes. ठीक है? So all the clothes are made from fabrics. In this chapter, we'll see the history of clothing material, fibers and their types, and different type of fibers. The most important question is, what is the need of wearing clothes, or why do we wear clothes? हम कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं? Okay, we wear clothes to cover our bodies, है ना, अपने बॉडी को ढकने के लिए. टू कवर आवर बॉडीज वी वेयर क्लोथ्स. टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, डस्ट, है ना, एंड टू लुक स्मार्ट. सो वी वेयर क्लोथ्स बिकॉज ऑफ 3 reasons: टू कवर आवर बॉडीज, टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड एंड डस्ट, एंड टू लुक स्मार्ट ऑल्सो. So students, when we wear clothes, when we touch it, you have seen that some clothes are very smooth or soft and some are very rough. So let us start the main part of this chapter. First we'll see history of clothing material. Early men did not wear clothes. They were not wearing clothes. But latterly he covered his body with animal skin, bark and leaves also. They were using leaves, bark of trees for covering their body to keep themselves warm. Slowly, they learned to weave twigs and grasses to make baskets, mats and fabrics. Around 2500 BC, cotton was grown near the river Ganga. Even near river Nile also, they were growing cotton and flax, which were used clothes. Since ancient people did not know the art of stitching, that's why they were draping big pieces of cloth around themselves, how this fellow has done in this picture. Slowly, they invented needle and then started stitching fabrics to make clothes. Today, we wear different kinds of stitched clothes like salwar suit, frocks, pants, trousers, shirts, t-shirts. Many dresses we use. So this way, in the modern era, we wear different type of clothes by stitching the different kind of fabrics. Now students, let me tell you what are fabrics and what are yarn. All the clothes or fabrics made up of long, strong and thread-like material. ठीक है? That is known as yarn. So what are yarn? Fabrics or clothes made up of long, strong and thread-like material. Again, yarn is made up of thinner strand. वापस से yarn जो है बहुत पतले पतले strand से बना हुआ होता है. That is known as fibers. Fibers are classified into 2 types. Let me show you the chart. So fibers are classified into 2 types. natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Again, natural fibers are also divided into two types, plant fibers and animal fibers. We'll see each of the fiber one by one. Let us start natural fibers. So students, what are natural fibers? The fibers obtained from natural sources, जो हमें naturally मिलता है, natural source से मिलता है, that is known as natural fibers. Again, these natural fibers are of two types, plant fibers and animal fibers. नाम से ही पता चल रहा होगा आपको, plant fibers and animal fibers. What are plant fibers? Fibers that obtained from plants are called plant fibers. I have added a picture in this. You can see example of some plant fibers: flax, hemp, cotton, jute, silk cotton, not silk, silk cotton. These are obtained from plants. That's why this is known as plant fibers. Plant fibers are more extensively used than animal fibers. We use more plant fiber than animal fibers. Next is animal fibers. Animal fibers are obtained from animals. ठीक है, एनिमल से जो फाइबर हमें मिलता है लाइक वूल एंड सिल्क, उसे कहा जाता है क्या? एनिमल फाइबर्स. वूल इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम फ्लीस ऑफ शीप, गोट, रैबिट, याक, है ना. सिल्क इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एनिमल फाइबर विच वी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम silkworm. So these are animal fiber. And do you know silk fiber is one of the strongest natural fiber. Okay, so plant fiber and animal fiber. Synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. नाम से ही पता पड़ रहा है. Again, the fibers which are man-made. That means the fibers made in factories from chemical compounds are called synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber also known as artificial fibers. Some example of synthetic or artificial fibers are nylon, polyester, acrylic. These are example of synthetic fibers. Very often natural fibers are mixed with synthetic fibers to obtain fibers with improved quality. अकेले synthetic fiber ही नहीं यूज़ किया जाता है. Sometimes they use natural fiber, चाहे वो plant fiber हो चाहे वो animal fiber हो, उसको synthetic fiber के साथ mix करके improved quality के fiber बनाया जाता है. For example, terracotta, है ना. Terracotta is a mixture of terylene. Terylene क्या है? Synthetic fiber है. And cotton. Terylene and cotton मिलकर क्या हो गया? terracotta. तो टेरिलीन इज सिंथेटिक एंड कॉटन इज प्लांट फाइबर. टेरी वूल इज ब्लेंड ऑफ टेरिलीन एंड वूल. टेरिकॉट तो किसका हो गया? टेरिलीन एंड कॉटन. एंड एक और प्रोडक्ट बनता है टेरी वूल, दैट इज अ ब्लेंड ऑफ, दैट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ टेरिलीन एंड वूल. ठीक है. नायलन. नायलन इज अ वाटर प्रूफ फैब्रिक. जो रेनकोट, अम्ब्रेला सब बनता है ना, वो सब किससे बनता है? नायलॉन से बनता है. Due to the waterproof property of this fabric, water slides over raincoats and umbrellas, preventing us from getting wet because they are waterproof. इसलिए we use raincoat and umbrella, and they are made up of what? Synthetic fiber. That is nylon. Nylon is a waterproof fabric. So students, this is all about natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Tomorrow I'll send you the remaining part of the this chapter, that is cotton fiber, jute fiber and many other. Go through this video properly.